In this video, you will learn how to write stack programs. Write the definition of a user-defined function push even. So you have to write the code function name called push even of n, which accepts a list of integers in a parameter n. So you will have a parameter called n, which is a list of integers. Push all the integers which are even. So check for even numbers and push it into a stack named even numbers. So you should have a stack called even numbers. Then write a function pop even to pop the topmost number from the stack and returns it. So you should also have a return keyword inside pop even. If the stack is already empty, the function should display empty. Then write a function disp even to display all elements of the stack without deleting them. So simply display everything. If the stack is empty, then the function should display none. So you should write three functions: push even, pop even, disp even. In push, n should be the argument. In pop, you should have a return keyword. So let us start the program. First, they have given n as a list of integers. So I will add few integers. Then they said stack numbers. Create a number called stack numbers or stack even, right? So let us have a list, that is a stack called stack even. Now what is the name of the function? Def push even, which will accept n. And what will it do? Check the numbers inside the list. If the number is divisible by 2, that is if it is an even number, stack even dot append, that is I am going to push the element if it is an even number inside the stack. That's all. So this will check every element inside the list. If it is an even number, I will push it inside the stack. Next, what is the next function? Def pop even. What will pop even do? You should check and pop out an element. What should you check? If the stack is not empty. So while stack even, that is till it remains true. When will it become false? When it is empty, it will become false. While stack even, it says return, right? Return. No, you will first print, or I think you need not write a while loop at all because they have just asked if it is not empty. If stack even, that is if it is true, that is if it is not empty, return stack even dot pop. So whatever is popped, it will return. Okay. Else, suppose if it is not true, then you have to write print stack empty or empty. Whatever message is given in the program, you have to do that. Then what is the next function? Def disp even. What did it say? It should display the elements without deleting it. So for every element in stack even, print the element. That's all. So there are three methods. Okay. Now I will call these events one by one and check if it works well. Push even, pop even, disp even. See, 12, 34, 56 is added onto the list. It is pushed inside. Then pop even, it will, okay, I didn't print it. Print element popped. So that the element which is returned will be printed. Then finally disp even. Change the name. Okay, fine. See? So the stack contains 12, 34 and 56. 56 is popped out because it pops only once. and now the elements are 12 and 34. It will display. Okay, so I have written 3 different functions to push, pop and display. Now let us move on to the next program. There is a dictionary D equal to ron 90, that is, which contains the student name and score inside a dictionary. Push all the student names who have scored more than 90 to a stack. Pop all the student names and print stack is empty. If that stack becomes empty, you have to print it. Okay, so first you have to have a dictionary. I'll close all this. The dictionary will contain the names of students who has scored some marks. Right? Now there are 4 students here. I'm going to create a stack, an empty stack first. Now to push elements inside the stack, there is no method mentioned here. So I am simply giving for element in D. If D of, that is, if the dictionary value is greater than or equal to 90, I will append the name inside the stack, and after that I will print stack contents and print the stack. Right? After this I am going to pop all the elements. So while stack, that is, if there are elements inside the stack, I will pop and print it, stack dot pop. Else, if it becomes empty, I will print empty. That's all. I'll run this program now. So it says stack contents as ron. Why? Because there is only one student who scored 90. So I will make this 94 and this as 97, so that we'll have more contents in the stack. Now I'll run this program. Stack contents are Ron, Leena and Prem, who have scored more than 90. Now pop works where the last element Prem is taken out, then Leena, then Ron. One by one all 3 elements are popped and finally the stack becomes empty. Hope you understood all these programs. All the best.